Narcissistic abuse is a serious problem. It is a form of emotional abuse. Narcissists are people who have a personality disorder. This means they have a very inflated sense of self. They need constant admiration. They lack empathy for others. Narcissistic abuse can have lasting effects on victims. Victims often feel confused and hurt. They may blame themselves. They might feel like they are going crazy. It is important to remember that narcissistic abuse is not your fault. You are not alone. Many resources are available to help you heal. Narcissistic abuse can happen in any relationship. It can happen with a partner, family member, friend, or co-worker. It is important to be aware of the signs. This can help you protect yourself. If you are experiencing narcissistic abuse, please reach out for help. Narcissists inflict pain because they are insecure. They need to feel superior. They do this by putting others down. This makes them feel better about themselves. They may not even realize they are doing it. They lack the ability to understand the feelings of others. Narcissists often have a history of trauma. They may have been abused or neglected as children. This can lead them to develop narcissistic defenses. They learn to cope by feeling superior. They shut down their ability to feel empathy. It is important to remember that narcissists are not bad people. They are simply trying to protect themselves. However, their behavior can be very hurtful. If you are in a relationship with a narcissist, it is important to set boundaries. You need to protect yourself from further harm. Narcissists use many tactics to control and manipulate their victims. One common tactic is called gaslighting. Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation. The abuser makes the victim doubt their own sanity. They might deny the victim's reality. They might question their memory. Another common tactic is emotional abuse. This can take many forms. It can be name-calling, put-downs, or threats. It can also be more subtle. Narcissists might give the silent treatment. They might withhold affection. They might use guilt trips to get what they want. These tactics are designed to break down the victim's self-esteem. The narcissist wants the victim to feel dependent on them. This gives them a sense of power and control. If you are experiencing any of these tactics, it is important to seek help. Recovering from narcissistic abuse takes time and effort. The first step is to acknowledge the abuse. It is not your fault. You deserve to be treated with respect. Once you have acknowledged the abuse, you can start to heal. Self-care is essential for healing. Make sure to eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, engage in activities that you enjoy, spend time with supportive people, do things that make you feel good. Therapy can also be helpful. A therapist can provide you with support and guidance. They can teach you coping mechanisms for dealing with the emotional pain. There are many different types of therapy available. Find one that feels right for you. Remember, healing is possible. You're not alone. There is hope for a brighter future.